trunk. There they are. One of a kind. These things are ruined. Hopefully they can be fixed. We're gonna see. We're gonna do our best. They're like, it's like bug splatter that never came off, so the bug just ate away the paint. That's what it looks like to me. But yeah, I'm gonna try and do a little bit of wet sanding, put a little bit of compound on there and polish it, and then see how they look. I think either way, we're just gonna throw them onto the car. So for anybody who doesn't know, these are 0304 Cobra mirrors, and my brother got them for a pretty good price, but they need a little bit of touching up. So I'm gonna take some, that's 2,500. I'm gonna take some 2,000 grit and then some 2,500 grit and just wet sand it and then buff it out and see how it looks. Whoopsie. I'm sure that it'll turn out a little bit better, but I can tell that there's some spots that have eaten through the clear coat, if not the base coat as well. So we'll just have to see. I mean, from a distance, they look pretty good, but then you get up close and you can tell that they've been kind of destroyed. About what it looks like after some 2,500 and some compound. It's better, but those nicks and whatever the heck, those aren't coming out. So you putting them on either way?
Yeah, but overall from afar you can't really notice.
Yeah.
So if I'm driving down the street, you can't really notice, but at car shows and stuff, I mean, when you're walking up close, you can kind of tell, but nothing that doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, they can be repainted. For now, I say we just throw them on the car.
Now we're gonna go ahead and polish these and finish them off, and then we'll probably put them on the car, see how they look. Look, spotless. It's a freaking mirror right there.
I don't know about spotless, but pretty crappy, pretty good.
Huh.
Pretty crappy, pretty good. Oh, be careful. Don't scratch them. All right, first step here is to get this cover off without ruining the interior pieces. I'd say put the screw right in there. Yeah, just pop it. There you go. Now there's one screw on the speaker. Holy mackerel. Right on the bullet panel. All right, now there's just one little clip right there. Next up is to disconnect the mirror, which is behind the door panel there. These things are very prone to breaking, so we gotta be as careful as possible. Now, what I do is I just stick my finger right there, pull the clip back, and pull up at the same time. You can get it. I can't tell you guys how many times I've installed or taken off mirrors off of a new Edge. It's probably been at least 20 to 30 times. So the size of all these is an 11 millimeter. And if you have a 1/4 inch ratchet like that one, you can get all of them off.
Hold the mirror so it doesn't fall. moment of truth right here.
And it's off. Maybe you could clean that up a little bit.
Gotta keep the car extra clean.
All right, let's see what that Cobra mirror looks like. Nicely polished. Looking pristine right now. But in the sunlight, it looks a little shitty.
Looks alright. For $300, it's pretty good.
The Cobra Bullitt, looking more and more like a Cobra every day. Cobra hood, Cobra bumper, Cobra mirrors. Just stay about right here. This is a good distance. It looks perfect. Any closer and oh my God, what is that?
The mirrors are installed. Just gotta plug in the wires here.
Get it all back together. Looks good.
Where does this thing go right here?
Where? That. Oh, it just slides into this thing. I think it goes like that. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It slides in like that.
There, finally.
I just gotta put the speaker back on. It's a super easy install. Getting to the plug is kind of hard because you gotta squeeze your hand in there, but if any of y'all who have a new Edge and you can get your hands on a pair of Cobra mirrors, it definitely changes the look of the car a lot. And the functionality is pretty awesome because they'll fold right in like that, which is pretty cool. I like folding mirrors. All right, guys, so we're not gonna show the other side being put in, even though my brother's working on it right now, because it's the exact same thing as this side, no different. And then maybe tomorrow when the sun comes back out, we'll take it out for a drive and get some photos. All right, so it's the next day. Cobra mirrors are put onto the car. Can't see that side. There it is. I guess we're gonna drive somewhere and fold them out and get a good look at them. Just needs to be lowered just a little bit.
Go show them the chop. The chop right there. Yeah, put some cams on it. Getting close. Yeah, close angle right there.
They can hear it. They can see the paint fading away.
Mirrors on them first.
Yeah, they're a little dirty, but oh well.
Just like that, already up to 50. Super fast. 600 horsepower
CarPlay and music.
Yeah.
What else do you need?
Nothing else. The perfect build right here.
So, here's what the mirrors look like. Yeah, they look pretty bad in the sun. But from a distance, they look good. It was hard to get that stuff off. I mean, I'm pretty sure, like what I said it was before, it was like bugs that got splattered on there and never cleaned off, so it ate away at the paint. So, those will get repainted eventually, but for now, we just wanted to put them onto the car, see what they look like, and he can fold them when he parks his car in the garage now, so it saves up a little bit of space when we walk through them and whatnot. But overall, what do you think?
Overall, they look pretty good. Definitely look better than the stock mirrors, but yeah, it does have some chips on it, some crap that doesn't come off, but I'm not in a rush to paint it, and I don't really want the car perfect, so.
If he ends up keeping the hood and painting the hood, we'll probably paint the mirrors the same time we do the hood, if he keeps it. But might be getting a different hood for the car, not sure yet. Still need to get some wider tires up here in the front. A little skinny compared to the rear. But the heat exchanger still looks good. So real quick, we just decided, because we never really show the cars driving outside in the videos, we'll get y'all some drive-by shots. It looks so good from the outside. I don't know why we've never really shown anything like this on the channel. That thing looks so good from a distance. Like, it looks so good. And if it was just lowered just a little bit, oh man, it'd look even better. All right, we're gonna switch spots here for a second.
Let's see if my brother can work the clutch. His clutch is like butter compared to mine. Mine's a dang leg press machine. Dang, that sounds so good.
That clutch is so stiff.
I knew it.
But it drives so good. How'd it look from the outside?
Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Looks lower than it is in person.
Yeah.
Looks way lower than it.
I'm not driving it home.
It does. No.
She's starting to idle high. Time to bring her home.
At least the coolant temp is at 182.
It's pretty good.
It was making that rattling noise when you took off. Did it do when I was doing it?
Yeah, I could hear it when I was driving.
Well, she's home safe. I think that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Tune in next week.
Yep. No. Sunday. No.
Thursday.
I'm so mixed up right now. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.